Neptune Technology Group is in the process of completely overhauling their conference space with the newest technology in the field. Refresh's part in that is our new 1.2 pixel pitch LED wall. This is running off of a Novistar MX40 Pro processor. The screen is 5.5 feet tall by 10 feet wide. And whenever this is done, it is absolutely going to transform this space into the cutting-edge facility it needs to be. Neptune will be utilizing this space in the future for conferences, team building events, trainings, and maybe even the occasional movie night or Super Bowl. It's been really exciting to work with Neptune and see how their space becomes transformed with LED technology.